Hello, I'm Bob Harris. Welcome to Duraamen's educational series for industrial and decorative concrete flooring systems. I'm going to demonstrate a technique that I've had very good success to eliminate roller marks, and that's going ahead and laying it out with a 3/8 nap roller, and once you've covered the panel, you immediately follow behind with a secondary roller, which is brand new and dry, so it has no product, and you can really unify any unwanted roller lines. So you'll notice I keep going back out into the material, and I'm just keeping a kind of a wet edge, if you will, of material. And using this technique, it is not a bad idea to have a second person that's helping, but for demonstration purposes, I'll go ahead and show you. So see how I roll back out into the material to keep a wet edge. And then what I would do is take my dry roller. What I mean, it's not used yet, it's perfectly dry. And watch how it just lays it down perfectly flat. And you're not going to get those roller lines that we're talking about. It's just a good little tip and technique that unfortunately a lot of people are not aware of. And I can literally see those roller lines just being blended right in. You do need to be careful about materials like this. They are very porous by nature. And so we have had some applicators complain about roller marks. A lot of it is technique. So you just need to have enough workers to help you put the material down. So what we're demonstrating here is we're spray applying A03, followed by rolling with a 3/8 nap roller, and then we'll immediately have a dry roller with no sealer on it to help get rid of any unwanted roller marks. Okay, so here's the example I was talking about. One person is rolling the material down, and then I'm following immediately behind he or she with a dry roller cover. And as you can see, it's really unifying the sealer. It's taking away any roller lines. Once you get, say 200 square feet, strip off this roller cover, put a brand new dry one on if you're doing a larger area. And when you do it like we're doing here, you are just simply not going to get roller marks.